Now I'm going to ask you, audience, do you think that Joe would be able to open this? Or Paul, not with his piddly arms? Gio, maybe you might be able to, we don't know. And so why have you gone for the twin pallet machine? You started off with singles, didn't you?
Yeah, we did start off with singles, but we found them to be slow. We couldn't keep the spindle running. Spindles running means we're making money, we're making product. So the twin pallet allows us to do the parts where we change jigs over and we rotate product so that we can drill holes in all the relevant faces, and we can do that while the spindle's still running.
Can I just ask, I'm sure like the viewers will be thinking exactly the same thing, but how do you make each lock so different, or is that a secret that you're not allowed to tell
No,
me?
it's not a secret. It's our pinning department.
Yeah.
They make a key with randomly chosen cuts, and then they select the pins to match those cuts. So typically a cylinder for the Stronghold range will have over 250,000 different keys that can be chosen. If you buy a Stronghold padlock today and somebody, your neighbour, buys another one tomorrow,
Yeah.
there's a 1 in 250,000 chance that you're going to have the same key.